Well, right now, the CDC reports over 30% of the population has received at least one shot of the COVID-19 vaccine. However, some are opting out of getting their second dose. I spoke to an expert about why this is happening and why they need to get their second dose.
There's still a lot that we are learning about the vaccine.
Tens of millions of Americans have now received at least one dose of the experimental COVID-19 vaccine. For many, Pfizer or Moderna provided those shots. Although Johnson & Johnson, Pfizer, and Moderna have all been approved for emergency use by the FDA, health officials say we are still learning how this new drug works. People are reporting a variety of symptoms following that first dose. Some are having minor issues like headache, nausea, dizziness, among others. And a few are experiencing extreme fatigue, chest pain, lymph node pain, and for some women, abnormal menstruation.
Younger people tend to have greater side effects than older. Also, it appears that people who have previously been infected with the virus may also experience some increased symptoms.
Dr. Bruce Randolph is a health officer for Shelby County. He says he's seen some reports of patients having issues with the first dose, issues that may prevent them from getting their second dose.
In your experience, Dr. Randolph, what can you say to those who are skeptical about taking the second dose of the Pfizer or Moderna vaccines?
The decision to get the second dose should be one made in consultation with your primary care doctor.
He says the strong side effects happen as a result of an increased immune response. For a person who has never experienced issues like these, they can seem alarming at first, but these are normal. He still recommends that eligible people take both doses.
The reason why the two doses are required is because of the research and clinical trials.
He says the research in those clinical trials proved 94 to 95% efficacy in people vaccinated with both doses versus close to 60% efficacy with just one. The numbers reinforce the message. If you don't get the second shot, you won't be as protected as the first one.
The risk of the COVID infection still outweighs the risk of the overall risk of the vaccine, at least as we know it today.